Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: billing, APIs, and a service account with proper IAM roles so you avoid permission errors. Next, create or select a Google Cloud project in the console. Once done, enable the Vertex AI API and attach billing. Make sure your service account has storage and AI permissions so data and models upload smoothly. Then open Vertex AI Studio and create a workspace. This instantiates resources and links your project so you can start building pipelines and experiments immediately. Now you move into data and model setup. Upload your labeled dataset to cloud storage and register it in Vertex AI so the studio can track lineage. Once registered, define schema, splits, and any preprocessing steps to ensure consistent training. Next, choose Auto ML for quick iteration or custom training if you need specialized code. Configure compute, region, and machine type. Once configured, kick off a training job. Monitor logs and metrics in the studio to validate training behavior, and adjust preprocessing or model settings as necessary. Finally, deploy your trained model to an endpoint in Vertex AI Studio. Pick a machine type and auto-scaling policy that match expected traffic. Once deployed, run test predictions from the console or via the SDK to verify latency, throughput, and quality. Make sure you test edge cases and auth flows. If something goes wrong, check deployment logs, IAM permissions, and quota limits, then roll back or redeploy with adjusted resources. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect service account permissions and API quota errors first. They cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.